Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few tweaks that can potentially help you speed up AnyLogic on M series Mac computers. The first is to select an alternative browser to view the running models in. If we go in AnyLogic to the Tools menu and then Preferences and then to Runtime, we can choose another browser. So the embedded Chromium is Intel optimized, so by choosing another browser, we should speed up running models. I'm going to choose a custom option and go to Browse and choose Safari, but you may choose any browser of your choice. And then I'll click OK, Apply, and OK. That's the first thing. The second is to set a new Java virtual machine for the AnyLogic editor. So if we open a Finder window to the root level of your hard drive and a terminal, and then I'm going to, in the Finder window, I'm going to open Library, Java, Java Virtual Machines, and then this, the name of this may vary depending on the version of Java you have installed, but we're assuming you have a JVM that's ARM optimized installed on your computer. So I'm going to open this folder, Contents, Mac OS. In the terminal window, I'm going to type the following command: sudo nano / applications AnyLogic contents macOS AnyLogic.ini. So the second line in this file, first of all, it's necessary to open it in the command line text editor because we need administrator privileges to edit it. The second line represents the Java runtime engine to be used by the AnyLogic editor. So I'm going to clear this second line and go back to my Finder window where we found our native Java runtime engine. I'm going to right click on it, hold down the Option key, and choose Copy as Path Name. Then I'm going to come back to the terminal and type Command V to paste. Then I'm going to type Control O to write out, hit Enter, Control X to close. And finally, if I go back to AnyLogic, if you go to the AnyLogic menu and Settings, we can go to Java, Installed JREs. Right now it defaults to the AnyLogic built-in JRE, which is Intel optimized. I'm going to go to Add a standard VM, so I'll click Next, and then I'm going to browse to, if we go to the root level of the hard drive, Library, Java, Java Virtual Machines, JDK, Contents, Home. And then I'm going to click Open. I'm going to rename the descriptive name of this to OSJRE. And then I'm going to click Finish. You can see we now have a second JRE listed here. So I'm going to check the OS JRE, and then I'm going to apply and close. So if we look at this model that I've got open in AnyLogic, the contents of the model aren't important. I've modified it to report the Java version when I launch it. So if I run the model, we can see we're using Java version 15.0.1, which is the version I have installed at my operating system level. And you'll also notice that the model opened in Safari because I chose that as the browser to be used. So I'm just going to quit AnyLogic to demonstrate one of the caveats of this workaround. So if we quit AnyLogic and then open it up again, and if we now run the same model, you'll see that it reports Java version 11.0.2, which is the built-in JRE to AnyLogic. So what we unfortunately have to do every time we launch AnyLogic is go to Settings, Java, Installed JREs, and switch this default back to the OS JRE. It thankfully does remember that entry, but it always moves the default back to the built-in AnyLogic JRE. So hopefully those three tweaks can help you get it running faster on your M series Mac. Thank you.